Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute since I've made a video for you, I know, and I apologize, but we're back. We're gonna be back as often as we can. It's probably been close to 2 months since I fired up the Weber kettle outside. That's all changing today is I'm gonna grill up some Korean style short ribs. Got these from Porter Road. They didn't give them to me, I bought them myself, but they're gonna be delicious. But I gotta get these on some marinade and let them get in the fridge and soak up and fall in love for a few hours at least. And I'm gonna use some of this Steakhouse marinade. This is Meyer's version, Frederick's they call it. I haven't used this particular one, but they come up with some good little marinades. So we're gonna give this a shot. Typically I use more of an Asian style marinade on these types of ribs. Today I think these beef short ribs are gonna go great with the Steakhouse marinade. Let's get them in the bag and get them marinated. All right guys, I can show you a cross cut of this. These are beef ribs that have been cut, across the ribs. You can see the ribs here going across, just where they've been cut, and they're designed to be grilled. We're up on our charcoal grill, whatever you want to cook on. We're going on the Weber kettle tonight, and they're going to be delicious. I don't even know what we're having with them, if anything, but we're going to have something with them. They're going to be delicious. Let's get them on some marinade. Real simple. We're just going to get them in the bag. You know, we're just gonna keep it simple as always. Give you a close-up view of this. I don't know if that shows up on camera. Frederick Steakhouse. It's got some garlic, some paprika, some what else we got in there? I think some onions and stuff. Tell you what, I haven't tried this, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Smells good. Let's get her on in here. I'm just gonna do the whole block. It's got a great smell to it. I'm gonna seal this up, mix it all together. You know the drill, guys, and we're gonna put this in the fridge. And I'll see you at dinner time when we fire up the Weber kettle. Our typical 2-zone fire. Bring this on up the tent. Alright, I was going to do this in nice and neat with the tongs, but tell you what, I'm going to come in here with my hands. We're going to get these guys on. Not going to take very long, guys, I promise. We will have to do it in batches. So I set up a 2-zone fire. Probably just a couple batches looking at this. All right. Because we can. I got some mesquite wood here. Throw a little smoke on there. We'll check back here in just a couple minutes. Guys, let's see where we are here. Just in a couple minutes. That's all we really need to do. We're just grilling them. Looking good, looking good. Check back in a few more minutes. Now let's give this guy a look on the other side. It's looking really good. Definitely got some smoke. I think we're going to pull these off, definitely. The bones are getting nice and charred. They feel very tender from the marinade. Alright, let's pull these in direct. Smoke out my eyes. We're going to cook the rest of them. Guess that's it. Same deal with these. One flash flip of these guys. They look delicious already. Just because we're here, I'm going to go ahead and flip these. No, they're indirect, but they're still cooking a little bit. Alright guys, one last look here. I think we're good. Oh, got a lot of char on that one. Definitely. Definitely. Alright guys, let's get these off of here. Get inside. We're going to get Mama fed. And you and I will have a taste test. Alright guys, let's get some of this on here. Get a couple pieces here. I'll get more here in a minute. These are just a little side baked beans. Mama whooped up real quick for us. Just two of us. We didn't want to fix a whole lot. Guys, I'm gonna have to use my hands here. Show you how we do this here. I'm gonna cut this bone out. Don't throw them away just yet. There's meat in between those. I'm gonna cut a slice or two here. I need to sharpen my knives, I know that. Would you look at that? And you got these bones here. Whoop, get over there. We'll gnaw on those guys here in a little bit. Let's get a bite of that though. Alright guys. That smokehouse marinade definitely got in the meat because they're so thin. I don't know how they couldn't have, but that is delicious. The fat charred just right on here. Fairly tender. You know, it's rib meat, so typically you got to get those temperatures up a little bit. But they're so thin, they grill so quick, it's real easy. Let me show you how I handle the bone. You kind of gnaw that meat off around it. That's how I do it. You do you. Guys, thank you so much. Yes, it's been a while. Those of you who follow my channel on a regular basis know I've had some medical issues. Everything's going great. We're healing. I have a leg wound that's healing slowly, but it is healing. So bear with me, guys. Might be hit or miss for me for a while, depending on what medication I'm on, what I ain't. But everything's going good. Guys, thank you as always. We're going to try our best from this point moving forward to put out another video every week for you, just like we were in the past. And got some great things coming in the future, so I can't wait to show you those. So guys, again, thank you as always, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.